Hey y'all, welcome back to our hair channel. My name is Tyler and I'm one of the Soleil twins, also known as Traces by Twins, here on our hair YouTube channel. Today I gave y'all this beautiful transformation and I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will say in the beginning, you will have to bear with me for the install. I did lose my ring light. Well, actually my dog chewed through the cord. You know, Tuda down here. Hey guys, if you don't like anything about my video today, at least you like my puppy. So please give me a like on behalf of Tuda. Hey Tuda. Hey girl. Hey Tuda. She's so bougie, y'all. But this is my boo. So I'm getting another one, but I wanted to come back and give you all the information, how I styled it. As you can see, it's giving. I did pluck this unit. Plucking is in the video as well as how I installed it and got a seamless, flawless install. So I really hope you guys are enjoying the synthetic content, and thank you so much for liking, comment, and subscribing to the channel.
Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true.
Oh yeah, I scout this wig. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. God would chime in and say something by now, because normally I don't talk through these, but please be very, very careful with this razor. I'm just gonna go in super close. So I'm gonna get close for you guys. I'm gonna cut this down the middle, actually.
Your love is a one in a million. It goes
is like one of the prettiest synthetic wigs I've ever freaking come in contact with. This is what the wig looks like. It's the Outre 360 frontal wig. Y'all know my last install I did with my Amazon wig, I was like, I need a 360 to do my style. This had a 360 in it. It looks like this. Super cute. Her name is Maximina and I have her in color 1. Super amazing. I really liked how soft this hair is. Disclaimer, I went ahead and tried some new techniques and I cut a little bit too much of my baby hairs. If I had the choice, I would do the baby hairs I did in my last video, but that's just me trying new things. It's okay, it's fine, no big deal. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hey y'all, Tay entered the chat. She's gonna cut me up. She said she see a little something. Before she get up, y'all, let me get the box so I can get my TikTok transitions. Okay. Yeah, that's much more even. And it looks straight on. That look a little more even. It's gorgeous. Yeah, that's sorry, I was looking at the refund. I was like, no, look, I trust you, girl. I trust you. Yeah, it's right up in there. And then I don't want you to be combing this, making all this one curl. Okay. Yeah. Yes. And then also that top of that blade had got a little dull, so I really would have wanted rather you flip it over because you see how this end look all fresh. This end you was having to cut too hard and it's making it a little more aggressive. Yeah, I probably need to put some more on this. I know, I like shine. But it got a little aggressive shine, so I turned it upside down. Yes, I mean, you now makeup, hair. That install was by none other than you. Tuda, look at me. Thanks, Tuda girl. Yeah, she say you pretty.